morning students, and welcome you again to the online class of Monbretia School. And I'm your English literature teacher of class 7, and today I'll continue with the chapter The Master Artist. So everyone take out your book. Okay students, so yesterday already I've started the chapter that is Master Artist, and today I'll just give you a short recap of whatever I explained you yesterday. Okay. Now, one day a rich Italian patron whose name was Mr. Bertolli, he requested L'Abbé to make a 20-foot tall portrait of himself on the wall of his dining room. Clear? The artist agreed. Okay, L'Abbé, he agreed to make the painting. But at the same time, what he said? He said that Mr. Bertolli should not interfere in his work. That means he should allow him to explore his abilities as he wants to do. And also that the painting will be kept in private until and unless he completes the full painting. This is what the condition he gave to Mr. Bertolli, and then only he agrees to do the painting. So Mr. Bertolli, he accepted the whatever conditions the artist had asked him for, and then he started his work. This is what I explained you yesterday, and now today I'll start from here. Immediately the master artist drew a huge curtain in front of the wall, a curtain through which Mr. Bertolli could not see at all. He tried to peek, but Mr. L'Abbé insisted on total privacy for his artistic techniques. So when he had given the permission to do the painting for him, he went to that place where he will going to do the painting on the wall. And then what he did, the artist, Mr. L'Abbé, he put a huge curtain. Why the curtain? So that he should not, Mr. Bertolli should not peek inside. He should not go through the paintings, because that is the condition he put in doing the painting. Answering him from behind the a week passed. How is it coming along? Asked the hopeful signal Mr. Bertolli. So after 1 week, he came to that place where the person was doing his painting, and he asked him. What he said? He said that answering him from behind the curtain. So he was at the other side of the curtain, and then he answered. Mr. L'Abbé said, "It's coming along quite well. You know, at the age of 8, I was apprentice to the great Ambrogio Lorenzetti." So what he said, that he said to Mr. Bertolli that whatever painting he is doing in a proper way, and it is coming in a good way. And then he started telling about himself. Then when he was at the age of 8, he was apprentice. Apprentice means working under someone to get full guidance. So he was working under Ambrogio Lorenzetti. Now he was an Italian painter in the 14th century, and he was one of the most important painter of his time. So Mr. L'Abbé was the apprentice to this person, to this painter. I could never dishonor his name. He taught me the art of grinding pigment. So what are the things he learned from this famous painter? Pigment. Now pigment means where colored powder is mixed with liquid to get the paint. Nowadays we used to get the paint, but earlier it was done through mixing of powders with any kind of liquid. Laying plaster. Plaster, you know, it's a mixture of sand and cement that was put on the walls or on the ceilings. Sometimes slowly, sometimes faster. He taught me how to draw, and most importantly, not to hurry. Mr. Bertolli, a masterpiece takes a while at least. So what he said, that my master also taught me that I should do the work very patiently, and I should not do any kind of, I should not be hurry in doing any kind of work. Reluctantly, Mr. Bertolli withdrew. Withdrew means he went away from that place after hearing so many things. A month passed. How is it coming along? Mr. Bertolli asked. So after 1 month, again he came to the place, and he asked Mr. L'Abbé, how much painting he has finished. It's coming along nicely, said Mr. L'Abbe again from behind the curtain. So again he said the same thing to him. Along with his words came the strange sounds of swooshing, clanking and slapping. You know you are fortunate. Now fortunate means you are lucky enough. So Mr. L'Abbe is saying this to Mr. Bertolli, that he is very lucky enough that he is the one who is doing the portrait for him. Only burnt fresco will need 4 coats of lime plaster. Now burnt fresco is it's a technique of painting in which a picture is painted on a wall or ceiling while the plaster is wet. Why it is done so? So that the colors blend with the plaster nicely and then it stays forever. But it's a time consuming endeavor. Endeavor means activities. So he said that doing this type of technique of painting, it will take time. Seeing deeply, the patron withdrew again. Just how long would this take? After that, again he went out from that place thinking that how long it will take to complete his portrait. Today till here, I'll continue in the remaining part of the chapter in my next video. So till then you will read the full chapter. Thank you.